Rapper Kodak Black faced a court hearing on Monday due to his failure to check in with authorities and undergo mandatory urine tests while on pretrial release for his prescription drug case. Fans expressed concern after Kodak complained about his situation on Instagram Live. In court, his lawyer argued to remove the strict pretrial supervision, which the judge agreed to, but the bond was increased from $75,000 to $250,000. As a result, Kodak had to go through the booking process again, took a new mugshot, and posted the new bond of $175,000. Despite the increased bond, Kodak's attorney was happy that he got locked up and considers it a victory, as the rapper can now travel and tour without the burden of regular check-ins with pretrial services. Rapper Blueface, whose real name is Johnathan Porter, will plead guilty next week to charges of battery and discharging a firearm at or into an occupied structure in relation to a shooting outside a Las Vegas strip club last year. By accepting the plea deal, he will avoid prison time. His attorney stated that upon successful completion of probation, the felony charges will be reduced to conspiracy to commit a crime. The shooting occurred outside Euphoric Gentlemen's Club in October 2022, where the victim, who recognized Porter, engaged in an altercation with him. The victim was shot multiple times but survived. Blueface also faces civil cases related to the incident, and his attorneys have requested a pause in those proceedings until the criminal case concludes.
The rapper Casanova has been sentenced to 15 years in prison for his involvement with the Untouchable Gorilla Stone Nation gang. The sentencing was delivered on June 27th. Casanova faced charges related to a shooting in Florida, a robbery in New York City, and conspiracy to traffic over 100 kilograms of marijuana. U.S. Attorney Damian Williams emphasized Casanova's role as both a popular recording artist and a prominent leader of a violent street gang. The rapper's influence within the community played a crucial part in the gang's recruitment and expansion. With Casanova's sentencing, he becomes the 12th defendant in the Gorilla Stone case to be sentenced. 5 other defendants have pled guilty and are awaiting their own sentencing. Despite maintaining his innocence, Casanova pleaded guilty in May 2022 to racketeering, conspiracy, and narcotics conspiracy charges.
Diageo, the spirits maker, has ended its 15-year partnership with Sean Diddy Combs following a recent racial discrimination lawsuit. Combs filed a lawsuit against Diageo alleging neglect and underpromotion of his De Leon tequila, claiming that it was dismissed as an urban product in marketing efforts. In response, Diageo called the complaint baseless and stated that Diddy actions breached their contracts, leading them to terminate the business relationship. Diageo also filed a motion to dismiss the lawsuit. Diddy accused Diageo of failing to market his Ciroc vodka in a manner consistent with their other brands. Diageo denied these allegations and highlighted the financial success of their partnership, stating that Diddy had earned nearly $1 billion from the collaboration. They also stated that they had invested over $100 million to support the growth of his tequila brand, while Combs had contributed only $1,000.